Play. What's that? Okay, intro maybe. 5-minute craft intro. I like that. Okay, improve your drawing skills. I like that, as I am a realistic portrait artist. Okay, she's just marking out the outlines of the hand. Just let me in. Okay, I will tell you that thing after this thing, what they are going to do. Just marking those lines for reference, of course. Tell me in the comment box, do you want me to make this type of short videos to make eyes and to easily make those eyes, nose and this type of things? Just let me know in comment box. Okay, she just removed the pin point. Okay. Sketch pen. What that white thing will make? I don't know. Okay, was that a bleach? Okay, to create white things. Okay, old brush. What they're going to do with this? Okay, first use it in water, of course. That's the soap. I don't think so. It will look good while using afterwards. Just buy a rounder. But you can try this technique to create this type of things. Technique is good, but what if the paper get teared? Okay, cloud. Moist sponge. What's that? Okay, making outline. Make good cutout and then make this type of things. Maybe for kids it is okay, but you can use a sponge for making. Advanced artists use sponge for making more this type of videos and drawings also. Okay, horse. That dirty rubber. They used matchstick. You can use it on your clothes or old clothes. That's not a hack. You will ruin your matchstick. Okay, painting the heart shape and that thing. What they're going to do? I don't know. Paint. Okay, they are just marking out. Don't tell me that can go for. Okay, that pencil thing just made those marks on the cup, and now they are using that marker to create the. Nice try. You can try it. After freezing, it will look good. You can try this at home, but with parents. What they're going to make with this? Okay, that's a rubber. Pin. Don't tell me that's a technique to create what they are creating. Let's see. Okay, point of view. When you are watching some buildings or designs from a particular point of view, you can see those two type of ways. Nice. I used to learn this advanced technique. This is not advanced technique, but for EG, electronic and graphics, for advanced technique, I used to do this type of 3D painting in my engineering days. This is a basic too. You can try this. Nice. Point of view painting. What they are going to do with the marker. What's that? Okay, I'm not getting what they are going to make. Okay, waves, I think. Cloth waves? I don't know. I didn't get it. Okay, first they use pencil color, use butter paper in front of that. Okay, heart shape is just embossing. That's okay. As a beginner, you can try it. It doesn't look good in that way. As a beginner, you can try it. Sun. You can try it. This was same as the coin and applying a paper on it. This is the same way. Okay, what's that? Okay, those are the, oh yes, that's what I am talking about. This was I was talking about, that if you want me to make videos like to easily make lips, nose and this type of things like he made or he or she made with the circles, so just let me know in comment box. You can use this technique too. Simple and easy technique. It doesn't work in realistic drawings also, but you can have a basic structure with it. So you know where the lip starts and where it ends. What's that? Okay. Waves. Are those part of hairs of ladies? I don't know. Okay, this is the basic way. I know that. Make two straight lines and yeah. You can have a curly and easy hairs. Nice. Good one. Yeah, look at that. Thumbs up for that. This can be helpful in realistic portraits also. Okay, that doesn't look like a face. Wrong. Was the effective way to make that? They will show you. Yeah, look at that. First making circle, then pointing out the nose. Yeah, look at that. With this technique, you can also make, like if you want to make a tilted face or sideways face, front face ways, you can go any type of. I call it a direct way method. It is easy too. Most of street artists use it to make, if you are in front of them, they just point out the straight lines and this thing. This helps. Look at that. Way cooler than before. You can try it on portraits also, but it takes some time. Like measurements and this type of things. And a nice view. Yeah, before after, of course. Okay, human body. Okay, it doesn't look good. They are going to make how you can make it. Okay, making straight lines. Yeah, I know this technique. They will just point out. Yeah. Nice. Main purpose is that you should have a main focus point like the center line or side lines. If someone is a little bit tilted, your line center line will be a little bit tilted, and then just make parts like left side part and right side part. It looks good. Nice. That don't go directly for left and right hand side part. Make center first. Okay, eyes. Okay, first they are making eyelashes. I think so. Pupil. Oh, nice. Nice shading. Yeah. This is the perfect way of making eyebrows. Yeah, looking good. Looking a little bit of realistic too. Nice. Okay, what's that? It doesn't look like eye. Okay, using straight. Again, they are using lines method for that. This method can apply for realistic drawings also. If you will learn this type of techniques, you can go for more realistic thing with that, and in easy way. Okay. Shadows and highlights play a major role while making this type of videos. Okay, perfect way of making a lamp. Nice. What's that? Dress of a lady. Okay, square and straight lines. So yeah, that you know the symmetry. Lines, center lines, side lines are helpful for making the symmetry look good. Okay, that's a tree. How they are making tree. Oh, nice. Details. Good. Oh, that was good. Okay. There's the flower. Nice way of making flower. But you can use this technique for beginners.